Today we're going to show you a complete solution for wireless access using BDCom router, edge core switch, PoE switch, and edge core access points. If you haven't already checked out the unboxing for these, please check them out on our YouTube channel. Okay, here we have the full solution for enterprise wireless access. Carrier signal comes in to the BDCom router. It's connected to the PoE switch by fiber. The PoE switch in turn is connected by copper to the access points. And if all this works, hopefully, wireless internet connection. So there you go, that's the full solution.